Hi, my name's Robert. I live in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm very excited today because I won a contest. A Plus Garage Doors sponsored a complete garage giveaway, and today I'm getting my old creaky door taken away and have a brand new door put in. The contest was on the Design Diva, and this is how bad the door is that they're going to replace.